is Alexei Kim, and let's talk about the culture. As you know, these days are the days of Busan Lotus Lantern Festival that is provided annually due to the Buddha's birthday. So the main event is held at Yeonbusan Park, but we are gonna go to the Songsanghyeon Square. This square is called the largest square in Korea. I don't know, so let's see. Also, it's expected to see the memorial of Songsanghyeon, the hero, and amazing lotus lanterns. So let's go there. So here we are. You can see this is a Busan Lotus Lantern Festival. It's an annual traditional festival that is connected with Buddhism religion. So regardless of your religion, you can come here and experience their culture. I think it's a very good opportunity. For example, for me and for other people, as you can see, there are many people here. It's a very attractive place. So if you come here before the 3rd of May, you can even make this attractive, very amazing lanterns. For example, if you can see, some of them are made like a watermelon. The shape is very, it's a masterpiece. I have no words. And another interesting thing in this park, this is like a tree. It's for wishes. So you take such a leaf, write something on this, and it's your wish. And you just wait until it becomes true. So I have one too. It's for my family. Yeah, that's good. So Songsanghyeon Square is a very interesting place with a rich historical background. Remember, come here until the end of the May, because the ceremony will be held until only this day. So thank you for your attention. With you today was Kim Alexei.